hours later.
Hi, bonjour, hola, konnichiwa, wagwan everybody. Yes, it's me, your girl Georgia. I'm trying out this YouTube thing. Can someone give me a round of applause? Yes, I'm stepping out. I'm nervous. Can't let it show though, but I'm doing something that scares me, and this is one of them. So the purpose of this channel is to aspire and be inspired. This was birthed out of the need to challenge myself to do something that scares me. Yes, this is one of those things. I'm doing it. Usually I'm comfortable on the sidelines, but no more. Nothing comes from comfort zone. I seek to aspire and be inspired. I will be doing DIY videos. So if you are interested in fashion, home decor, styling, I'm your girl. Hit the subscription button. Today I will be showing you how to extend a bra. So I bought this bra, then Corona happened. I put on a little weight. So the cups, they still fit perfectly. However, the circumference of the bra, it's too tight. So these bras are new. I wasn't ready to throw them out, so I had to figure out how to keep the bra. What I did, I will be extending this. So the goal is to make something looking like this. First thing is to get the circumference under the bust. So for me, this says 30. You want to measure the length of your bra. The length of my bra, that's 28. So I would need an additional 2 inches. However, because I'm using elastic, I'm going to make it smaller than 2 inches. So I'm going to be cutting it 1.5 inches twice. Alright, so I cut mine twice because the length of my extension, the length of the part where I'm putting it, it's 2 inches. I have a 1 inch elastic. This is why I'm doing it twice, so it's wide enough to fit comfortably in the space. Great. So next thing, we want to burn the edges to prevent it from fraying. So you want to do it, ensure it is sealed, and we're doing both ends. You want to ensure we get rid of this part. Don't want to burn anything. We don't want to burn the house down. Next, we are going to do, I'm using these hooks and eyes. You can get this at any fabric store that sells trimmings and accessories. I'm going to be using 3 hooks because my bra has 3 eyes. So we want to ensure the spacing on the hooks on this fits the same position on the bra. So first I'm going to join these 2 pieces together. So I'm putting it flat like this. Putting it flat. And we are going to tack them together. We want to do this a couple times. Ensure it is sturdy. Right, so we're stitching on our hooks. We have to ensure that they are equal distances apart to match with the bra line we'll be attaching there too. And you want to ensure they're properly stitched, so you want to stitch them a couple times. We will repeat the same steps on the next side, just that we'll be using the eyes. what it should look like when you're finished.
Can I get a what? Wow!
Let's just check it out. So we are hooking it up. And you can still, I mean, depending on how you gain and lose weight, you still have these to adjust the size. Ooh, this is tight right here. Okay, so this gives me an additional 2 inches, so I'm free to wear my bra and be happy. So if you enjoyed this video at all, please click the like button, click subscribe if you have not done so already. Right, so this is another way I did it. With this one, I just used an older bra. I cut off these parts and just attached it to the elastic band. Same 1-inch elastic I did twice. You can also do this another way. You can cut the hook part from your bra, attach the elastic to the bra itself, and just you'll have this. The downside with that, you wouldn't be able to detach it. I love mine detachable. This one is my favorite. And always remember, never forget. I won't be on the side. And always remember, never forget, go boldly in the direction of your dream and live the life you imagine. See you next time.